tayo nag-practice para sa inyo, meron kaming guest dumating from Manila. Singer siya. He happens to be the brother of Cathy. We'd like to welcome Mike. And brother Rodolfo from Virginia.
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon kung kailan lang aking puso mayroon lang naman nararamdam?
Sana'y nalaman ko
Ano
na darating na sa buhay ko. Di sana naghintay ako.
ikaw sana ang aking
yakap-yakap.
ang iyong kamay aking hawak at hindi kanya everybody sing, come on! Bakit? I can't hear you!
Ngayon
Come on! Dumating sa buhay ko pilit pinubuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At sabay dapat ko nang limutin. Nais ko malaman bakit ngayon ka lang dumating.
You for the rest of my life. Don't want nothing else in my life but to make you my wife. I do everything for you, make you look good tonight. Baby girl, I promise I won't forget to kiss and goodnight. I'm yours and you're mine. If you wanna give it time, you're so worth it. I'll let my heart think for my mind. I'll let you decide, it's your decision. Just think about it first before you go into temptation. Remember the times when the liquor sweet into your eyes.